Hello everyone, today we will learn about array and array list in C#. So let's get started with their differences. An array is a fixed size collection that can store only single type of integer, or in other words we can say that if we have an integer array then it contains only integer value. As you can see in the below example, I have declared an array and the size of this array is 4, so I can store only 4 integers value inside it. Now in ArrayList, it's a dynamic size collection which can store different type of objects at same time. In other word, ArrayList automatically increase when we extend its length. For example, as you can see, I have defined an ArrayList, and after creating an instance of it by using this add method, I can easily add whatever I want, integer like character or float or boolean value, so I can add inside it. So I can explain all these things in this program. I have already declared a class array versus array list. So first we will start with array. I am defining an integer array. For numbers, so I am using num. Okay. Now like this integer array size is 4. Now I will pass integer value inside this array. So here I have put 10, then 20, then 30, and then 40. So now in my array num we have these 4 integer values 10, 20, 30, 40, and if I try to add any character string value here, then it will throw an error. As you can see, we can only store integer values in it, so you can't store any kind of a string value. Now I am trying boolean. See, again it is throwing an error, so I have to use only integer value. Here I am using for loop just to print all these values. So for that I am using an integer I, and then I will initialize it with 0. Now I is greater than, then see what is the length of it. So instead of directly defining 4 over there, you can use 4 as well, but I think it's better to use num dot length to get the exact size, and then I plus plus. Now inside my for loop I will use console dot write line, and then num inside my square bracket I will put I. That's it. So let's execute this. See, 10, 20, 30, 40. It is showing the exact output which we want, and my array has these 4 integer values, so one by one this is showing. I'm thinking instead of using this command line, it's better to print array example over there, so it will show in the output it's an array example. So now I will try for next example, which is array list. So before my output it will print array list example. So here what I will do, I will use array list see, it's a collection, so if it's throwing any kind of error, then in that case you have to check like your namespace is collection available or not. Now here I'm here I have put the name of my array A, and initialization is done. See, this is the namespace. If I remove, then it will throw an error. Then if I like from this option, if I select this, then it will be corrected. Yeah, now it's working without any error. Okay, so this is defined. Now I will add values in my array list. A dot, see here I have different methods. We will use add. So first here I will put integer value, then next I will use a string value. Rapid learning, I will here write rapid learning string. Third I will write any float value, so something 30.5, and here I will write some boolean value, so true or false, anything you can write, but make sure that it should be in small letters only, because if you make it capital true, then it will throw an error. Okay, so things should be in small. That's it. Now we have added like whatever data which we want to add in this array list. Now we have to print it. For that I will use for each loop, and here I'm using where, because we have all type of values here. So where A in capital A is our array list, and inside console I will write small a. Yeah, that's it. Save and run. See, on the top it is showing array example with their output, and below it is showing array list example with all the values which we had given. So these are the examples for array and array list. I hope you understand. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.